No one truly enjoys cleaning their own home, especially when you can be doing so much more in your spare time. The good news is you don't have to. Hi, my name is Rosaline Medina, and I am the owner of Katura Cleaning Services. At Katura Cleaning Services, our team of trained professional cleaners has the skills and resources that will leave your home immaculate. We specialize in deep cleanings, weekly or bi-weekly recurring services, move-out cleaning services, window cleaning, and so much more. Our cleaners arrive in professionally marked vehicles with the equipment and products necessary to clean your home for a hassle-free service. We strive to exceed your expectations. Our team is insured and certified to ensure efficient and effective cleaning throughout your entire home or workspace. Not to mention, Katura Cleaning Services is also pet-friendly. Call us today at 254-768-8927 for a free estimate on your first cleaning session.